Hi, I'm Paul Kopf, and this is the place we recorded all the instruments you get with all Vienna MuseSounds Editions. Stage A of Vienna Synchron stage. We're really happy to support this great straightforward notation experience you get with MuseHub and MuseScore, and we took extra care that our dynamic Vienna MuseSounds Editions will make you feel at home in this stage. After all, the sound you get when writing music makes quite a difference, don't you agree? And here's a little taste of what Vienna sounds like. What makes Vienna Synchron stage so special is the Hollywood-approved sound of this unique recording space and, of course, the incredible musicians we're lucky to have here in Vienna. This combination has been successful in blockbuster productions and hit series for Marvel, Netflix, Amazon, MGM, you name it. This is a hand-in-glove situation, and it works every time. The exquisite acoustic response of Stage A drives musicians to breathtaking musical performances, as the first note you play in this hall immediately makes you want to play more. And that high-energy attitude is exactly what you get with the Vienna MuseSounds Editions for all your projects, from touching ballads to concert band music, string arrangements for pop songs to bold symphonic works or epic film cues. A little tip here, check out the raw power of the Vienna brass players with our rather unconventional freebie. 9 bass trombones ready to rock your arrangements. Get those right now and check out how we managed to fine-tune the interaction between the MuseScore engine and our instruments. You will be amazed. Timing, phrasing, passion, and precision. Stunning results out of the box. You get an intuitive interface that combines musical accuracy with vivid performances. And although it's great to have such a nice control room like we have it here in Vienna, all you really need to get great musical results is a laptop and your creative mind. Legatos, portamentos, repeated notes, dynamic control, everything reacts just like you write it. And we found that you can be way quicker than with your standard sequencer if you're working with one of those, simply because you benefit from those handy copy and paste operations. The natural balance between all our instruments is outstanding. Each section is consistent and precise through all articulations and the whole dynamic range. And as you can see, we applied close to no mixing to this piece by Christian Kardais, with most mixer faders at default settings. All in all, we are more than satisfied with the outcome of this great new musical option for all musicians out there, and we're happy to see you interested. Check out our other videos and audio demos, and don't forget to give our freebie a whirl. All the best from Vienna, and happy composing.